choose the parameters to say, and then you can choose a parameter. The general scanning speed here is 300. According to the material, choose this width. The power is approximately 400 watts per millimeter of thickness. The default duty cycle is 100, and the average default is 2000. For example, if we need to weld 2 millimeters, we can enter this number 800. And this is the save button. This is the import. And then it's been imported here. We save to the parameter. The welding parameters we use are included in this parameter set. And then if we weld this material again, we only need to select parameter 1, and then we can set other parameters in parameter 2. Then import it for a welding process.